already seen Heron's formula and also application of Heron's formula in finding areas of quadrilateral. Today we will do some of the problems based on that. So the first question is, Radha made a picture of an aeroplane with colored papers as shown in the figure. Find the total area of paper used. So you can see an aeroplane here and it is divided. We need to find the total area of this aeroplane, and here the aeroplane is divided into different parts. This is the first part, second part, third part, fourth part and fifth part. So we need to find out area of these parts separately. To find out total area of the color paper used, we need to add all these areas together. So area of the first portion we will find out, that is a triangle. So I can write area of triangle. So here two sides are 5 centimeter, and we can see since this part is 1 centimeter, here also it will be 1 centimeter. So we can apply the Heron's formula. So first part I am going to find area of the first part. So area of triangle, we are applying the Heron's formula, square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Here s is equal to semi-perimeter, a plus b plus c divided by 2, which is equal to 5 plus 5 plus 1 divided by 2. We have 11 by 2. Now 11 by 2 is nothing but 5.5. We will substitute in the formula. So which is equal to 5.5 into 5.5 minus 5, 5.5 minus 5 into 5.5 minus 1. So when you solve this, we have 5.5 into 0.5 into 0.5 into 4.5. So 2 0.5 is there, 1 0.5 I can take outside. Now 5.5, for easy to calculate, I can write 55 into 10 and 45 divided by 10. 55 divided by 10 into 45 divided by 10. 55 divided by 10 is 5.5. So which is equal to 0.5 into, now 110 also you can take outside, square root of 55 I can write as 11 into 5, and 45 I can write as 9 into 5. Again 9 into 5 I can write as 3 into 3 into 5. So from this 0.5 divided by 10, 1 3 and 1 5 can be taken outside, into root 11. So when you simplify this, you have 0.75. 15 into 5 is 7.5. Again divide by 10 is 0.75 into root 11 value is 3.317, which is equal to 2.488 centimeter square. Now we will find out area of the second part. It is a rectangle. So area of rectangle equal to length into breadth. So this is the second part. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So here length is 6.5. You can see 6.5 and breadth is 1 centimeter. So 6.5 into 1 equal to 6.1 centimeter square. Now we will find out area of the third part. area of the third portion is a trapezium. So we can see a trapezium here. Area of trapezium, we need to find out. The third portion is a trapezium. Now we know the formula for trapezium is equal to half h into a plus b. H is the height of the trapezium and a and b are sum of parallel sides. So a and b are parallel sides, a plus b is sum of parallel sides. We need to find out height of this trapezium. So to find out height of this trapezium, I am going to construct a line segment DF such that FB is also 1 centimeter. When you have studied the construction of trapezium, you have studied this procedure. Now FB is 1 centimeter, therefore AF is also 1 centimeter, DF is also 1 centimeter, therefore triangle DAF, all the sides are equal, which is equal to 1 centimeter. So DAF is an equilateral triangle. Now we need to find out the height DE. We need to find out the height DE. So how will you find out the height DE? If you get the height DE, then you can substitute in this formula half h into a plus b. A we can take as 1 centimeter and b we can take as 2 centimeter. So to find out the height of this triangle, we know the formula that area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4a square. Also we can apply the formula half base into height. So I am going to apply this. Root 3 by 4, side is 1 centimeter, 1 square is equal to half into base is also 1, height we don't know, we need to find out height. So when you simplify this, we'll have root 3 by 4, which is equal to half h, or h is equal to 2 root, we can take the 2 to the other side, so 2 root 3 by 4, or h is root 3 by 2. And root 3 value is 1.732 divided by 2, which is equal to 0.866. So the answer is 0.9 centimeter. Now we will substitute in the formula for area of trapezium. Area of trapezium is equal to half h into a plus b, half 0.9 into a is 1 and b is 2, so which is equal to half into 0.9 into 3, and this is approximately 1.4 centimeter square. Now we will find out area of the fourth portion, that is a triangle. So we can use the formula half base into height. Area of the fourth portion, area of triangle, we can use the formula half base into height since it is a right angle triangle. And height, base they have given as 1.5, you can see, and height is 6 centimeter, so here also it will be 6 centimeter. So half into 1.5 into 6, which is equal to, you can cancel this, 4.5 centimeter square. Similarly, area of the fifth portion is also a triangle. The same formula we can apply, half base into height. So half 1.5 into 6, which is equal to 4.5 centimeter square. Now we will add all the areas. Area of the first portion we have got as 2.5. Area of this triangle we have got as 2.5. Area of the rectangle we got as 6.5. Again, area of the trapezium just now we got as 1.4, and these two triangles 4.5 plus 4.5. So together, when you add this, area of the aeroplane or the colored paper that used to make the aeroplane is 19.4 centimeter square. We can check once again. So area of the first portion is 2.4. Again, second portion is 6.5, and the third portion for the trapezium we got as 1.4. So area of the fifth and sixth portion is 4.5. So thank you for watching my video.